revenge trading is basically an emotional form of trading where after a trader takes a loss, they decide to get right back into the market to try to recover from that loss. So for example, let's say you're down $200 in one day and your ego has been completely shot down. And in 23 minutes, the stock market's going to close, which will leave you pissed off at the fact that you have taken a losing trade. And so you decide before those 23 minutes are up, you decide to make up for that loss. And so you take another trade without a strategy, without rationale. And why is that? Because no one takes money from you. Then what happens is you lose again. And because you don't have a strategy, you lose a lot more money than before. It's not $200. It ends up to be a $450 knock. And if this happens, then you can consider yourself a revenge loser. Overtrading, where you take more trades to make up for your losses. You're trying to play catch up. This is where you'll try to make up for your losses by just taking more trades. You trade against the system. When you're gambling, you're going against the trading system. You stop trading on rationale and you trade on impulse. And instead of thinking logically, you think irrationally and you forget about everything you've ever learned because you are now entering into the emotional side of trading without any logic. When you revenge trade, you avoid risk management and you take bigger losses. Emotional trading, where you trade on impulse and no rationality. When you are feeling like you want a revenge trade and you've taken a loss, you need to step away from your computer and go and grab a drink, go and watch Netflix, go to your kids, do whatever you need to do to stop yourself from going against your system. Take 10 deep breaths. This is the same in life. When you're angry and you just want to splurt out what you're feeling rather than what you're thinking, just take 10 deep breaths in and out and calm down and then say, okay, is what I want to do rational and is it good for the future? But if I take a trade, whether it goes for or against me, that's not supposed to be according to my strategy, I'll have a sleepless night feeling how disappointed I was in myself. And that disappointment stops you from that. Follow a consistent and successful trader to a T. If you don't want to struggle learning to trade or struggle taking a trade or struggle developing that trustworthy trading strategy and you don't have the experience, then find a consistent trader who makes it in the world. Follow their signals. That will stop revenge trading in a way, because when you get into the market based on another trader's perspective and trading strategy, there is no reason for you to revenge trade on another person's strategy.